thank you for joining in and thank you for coming in today. Thank you for taking time out and also for us to be able to interact right now. I understand that time is very precious, but if you take time out, then I believe you already made your mind up that we can go ahead and build this generational wealth. And this is what we do on the channel for us to build generational wealth. Today I'm bringing to us Palantir Technology. Well, I've brought this company to us, quite a few times, and I just want us to continue to have it in our mind, for us not to be able to forget about it, and for us to continue to DCA into it. What do they do? Palantir is a company, it's a technology company that now involve and move into area of AI, and they help in information gathering, intelligence gathering. They work with law enforcement and work with government in the area of anti-terrorism area sectors, criminality and all that stuff. Also, they manufacture the software, they develop software, the equipment, and also they work with the government. So they already have kind of a steady contract or arrangement, I say, with government. So Palantir is a company that seems to be more stable. It is stable, and right now with the geopolitical issue that is going on, they have even a better, more chance in the area of information gathering, and in the area of AI, in the area of technology to make weapon and to make equipment, but it is what it is, the geopolitical situation that is actually going on right now, kind of, still, it gave them more opportunity to even, make more money, because like right now, the fight with, Russia and, Ukraine, between Russia and Ukraine, we just approved, $60 billion, to supply, to give to Ukraine. So, fortunately or unfortunately, or the reality is that company that makes those, products, those equipment, they are going to be a beneficiary, to this, a gift of $60 billion. They are going to manufacture this equipment here. And, so we can say, most, about maybe half, maybe a quarter, but some of the money is going to be here in the US. So those companies that makes those equipment, or make the software, or makes the whatever, a part of participant that take in making those equipment, they are going to be a beneficiary, to it. So I look at Palantir Technology as an information intelligence gathering, company that are already, working for government, to be a part of this beneficiary. I believe they are going to benefit from it, and this is how this is why it seems to me lately that people start looking at Palantir and they start seeing the stability in the company. And people now start, investing into it. So, I mean, Palantir is not I don't think it's a company that will give you, 10x like some of other companies, some of other growth, companies that are going to give you 5x, 10x. I don't think it, but it's more stable. It's a more stable company, and you can see it in the future. Let me just show us what, the Palantir is doing right now. If you look at Palantir right now, it's at, 22.49. So as a matter of fact, it went up today by, 3.62%. During the trading hours, it's still up by, 3.62%. And if you look at it, today, it's just up and it's been going up. Let's look at the year to date. So if you look at the year to date, it started this year up as, for $16, this year up. And, now it gone up here. It went up from 16, straight up to 25. Okay. And now from, 25, since the market has been down, in the last in the last few days. Almost a week and a half that the stock has been down, and so Palantir has come down also with it. But regardless of that, Palantir continue to be a stable, company that presents a feature. Let me just continue to show us more. If you look at what actually happened today, if you look at what happened today, so Palantir stock has AI upside, but the valuation is excessive, analysts say. So Palantir Technologies stock was risen Friday after a former bear upgraded shares of the software firm on confidence in growth that to artificial intelligence. So it was upgraded. So Palantir was upgraded, and that is one of the reasons why it went up. It went up today. And if you look at the forecast, let's look at the forecast in the next 5 or whatever. Look at this is the Palantir stock forecast. 2020, 2024, 2020, 2025 to 2030. Okay, so as at the end of this year, Palantir is expected to be around maybe by June $28, and by the end of the year $41. And if you look at it by 2025, it's expected to be 48, and by the end of the year 48. Let's look at 30. It's expected to be like $92, around $100 by 2030, which is about 6 years, around $100. Like I've said, Palantir is not a company that I think will just jump within a short period of 5x. But this is what is presented to us. It's more stable, and I want us to continue to, if we think it's fit for us to kind of DCA into it. So dollar cost average into this position for us to balance our portfolio, for us to be able, to the risk there. I don't think is that high. So it is for us to kind of make that decision. If we continue to look at what Palantir can offer us, you see that in the last 5 years, let's see what is there in the last 5 years. It was of course, it's $34. So it has came down, and it's an opportunity, for us to kind of jump into Palantir, so that we can build this generational wealth together. If this is your first time, like I've said, I'd like you to join the family. I would like you to share this video. I would like you to hit like button right now. I think nobody's nobody knows it all. We kind of share information, and for us to be able to do more of our research, and from that we can build this generational wealth. And as I bring more and more opportunity to us, I want us to kind of make up our mind to build a generational wealth, because no matter what I bring, no matter if it's not within you to do it, or if we haven't make up our mind to do it, then nothing is going to be done. So I say, just make up your mind that you want to do it, and go ahead and do it. If you have any question, comment on the video, or if you have something to add to it, just add to it during the comment, and I will try my best to be able to read, and if needs be, I will reply, comment on your question. So thank you again for joining in today, and as I see you in the next video, have a wonderful day.